right? So in the previous hour, we took essentially a brand new member of InterNetChy through 6 steps to get a job scheduled immediately. They can start making money, right? So here we go. This is for taking it to the next level. Another general rule of thumb in business, remember the one about gross revenue divided by your time? If the perceived value is greater than the cost, if the perceived value is much greater than the cost, then it's a good decision. Every single time. Let's say it again. If the perceived value is much greater than the cost, then it's a good decision. So your goal as a business owner is to figure out how to offer potential clients services that have overwhelming perceived value in relation to the costs. And that's for potential clients. For actual clients, you want to offer actual value. There's a difference between the two. So if business is slow right now, let's say business is slow, that's fine. If the phone isn't ringing as much as you'd like, okay, there's an opportunity there. If this month's revenue total doesn't meet your goals, or it's comparatively down this month from last month or last year, same time, maybe check your value proposition. It could also be the market. It could be the pandemic. It could be other factors, but those are things that you may not be able to affect. What you can do is you can check and improve your marketing, your promotions, your inspection website, your flyer, your social media posts. If your unique value proposition seems kind of worth it, then you have a serious problem. What is the value? What is this unique selling proposition or unique value proposition? It's your brand, really. It's the answers to the question, why should I hire you instead of the next inspector? What makes you special? What makes you unique? What makes you different from all the rest? What do you do that is valuable? What problems do you solve? What do you do for me that I can't get anywhere else? Why would I hire you instead of someone else? What is the overwhelming reason? What is it that I see in your company that is overwhelmingly valuable to me right now? You want potential clients to obviously see that the services you provide are overwhelmingly valuable to the point that they'll pay top dollar for your services. If you're not in demand right now, it's okay. Just check your value proposition and start working on your marketing. Maybe you're just getting started in the home inspection business. You're trying to make more money, or you're working to grow your business. Well, InterNetChy can help you, but pay attention to the costs, including your time and money. You want to get the biggest bang for your buck. So let's go over several business and marketing resources that you can take advantage of starting right now for a little investment of your time. And by the way, your clients are thinking the same thing right now. They may be looking at your website and going, I want to get the biggest bang for my buck. Your next client wants a huge return on their investment, a big return on their investment for hiring you. They want to be overwhelmed with value in relation to the cost. Maybe you charge $450 for a bundled inspection package, like home inspection and radon is bundled together for $450. They're wanting from you, your marketing, your website, to see the value, the incredible, unique, overwhelming value of service, information, and education that they'll get for their inspection fee. So let's go back to investing your time. It's the most precious asset that you have. Try working intensely, 1 hour a night on your business and marketing, including your value proposition. What makes you different from all the rest? Here's the calculation. Take 1 hour per night, multiply it by 7 nights per week. That's 7 hours a week. I was decent in algebra in high school. So now you got 7 hours a week, right? 1 hour per night. After 24 weeks, that's 6 months. That's 168 hours. That's more than 1 month at 40 hours a week. In 6 months, you'll have worked an entire month full-time on your business and marketing. 1 month of working on your business, marketing, and value proposition within the next 6 months. There's a month within the next 6 months, an entire month, you will have worked on your business. Man, if I were you, I'd smash your TV right now with a hammer. I'd delete your Netflix account. That's a huge return on your investment to get a month, a free month of someone working on your business, marketing, and value proposition within the next 6 months. You know how far advanced you're going to be in 6 months. If you have time on Facebook, if you have time watching YouTube videos, or time for your favorite Netflix TV series, then you definitely have time for investing in your own inspection business. Try investing 1 hour per night.